Alright, today I'm going to show you a common riding mower problem and how to solve it. This problem is when you push the go button, it just flops. It's loose. And I believe that this is a design flaw. First thing you do is remove your battery, and you remove this battery tray. It just clips in there and pull it out. The only thing you should have to remove are the bolts that hold the terminals to the battery. So what you've got is this little piece right here. It fell off. It fell off of that. Now the problem with that is that there's no threads. There's nothing really there. It's just a little bit of lip, and it's meant for a clip to hold it on. Unless you have the correct size clip just lying around, I'm going to show you a fix for that. You can just slide it back on and ride it and it keeps falling back off. I took a paper clip and just spin it like that right there. Okay, I'm going to slide it over the bolt. I'm going to release the tension, let it back, and that should hold it onto that little groove. Alright, so I'm going to give it a little squeeze with the needle nose pliers, and you can see there the finished product that hopefully will hold it on until I can get a proper clip for that.